Panda Pavilion of the Moscow Zoo was redecorated to celebrate the Chinese New Year for the giant pandas Ruyi and Dingding, now living in Russia. The staff prepared a fir tree for each of the two pandas and decorated them with paper lanterns and pandas' favorite food. In addition to the Chinese New Year feast, Ruyi and Dingding also received two large cardboard toys in the shape of rabbits, as 2023 is the year of the rabbit.
Как же праздник, это всегда с угощением. Вот, тем более такой китайский Новый год, это их праздник, поэтому они с удовольствием. Он вот поиграет. Это ненадолго саморазвлечение. Ну, поиграет, посмотрит. Все-таки приятно, интересно, что-то новое. А для животных в зоопарке это очень важно.
The male panda Ruyi was born in July 2016 in Ya'an, China's Sichuan province. Dingding, the female, was born a year later in Wolong, also in Sichuan. According to the agreement signed between the China Wildlife Conservation Association and the Moscow Zoo, the two pandas arrived in Moscow in April 2019 and began a 15-year sojourn.